Okay, we're going in. We're going in from a different direction now to see these little birdies going through the brush. Oh, there they are. There the little beauties are. The mother's very close by, everyone. Very, very dangerous. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Her mother could kill me. That's the call, the feeding call of the robin. I have deciphered that through years and years of work. I love you. I love you. I could be attacked at any moment. Any moment I could be attacked. That's the hungriest one. She's dangerous. Very dangerous. I'm backing out now. Letting them be. Treacherous terrain. Treacherous terrain, ladies and gentlemen. Unbelievable. Dangerous tree to be around.